Absolute tune, by the way. I can't remember who sang it. Roger Sanchez. Anyway, what a tune. What I wanted to do this video for, guys, is just to tell you that, yeah, we do videos, but things aren't always as rosy as they may look in the motor trade, right? And the most important thing to us, or to me, as a mechanic, is my tools, right? And I need them to work, right? And I need, if you buy a tool and the pretense that it's got a certain amount of power or it's going to be useful, and it fucking ain't, done it do you ready? Done it stress you out. Anyway, there's this tool, this particular tool. Look at that for a draw, by the way. Just putting that out there. This particular tool, I've owned it for a little bit, right? And I found it, when I first bought it, fucking useless. And I thought, you know what, I'll keep it in my toolbox, I'll give it more time, I'll do whatever upgrades to it as I can to get it to perform better. Nope. And it's this tool here, guys. So it is the Milwaukee 3/8 impact wrench, right? And apart from the size of the head, is massive, so you can't really get it into most places, and it's weak as piss. I lost my rag with it today, so it looks a bit battered, doesn't it? It looks even more battered now. So just to add a little bit of insult to injury, really, I used my Milwaukee grinder and cut it in half after throwing it across the workshop. So there's the other half, if you don't believe it. Up. Weirdly enough, you put a battery in, it still lights up. I'm quite proud of that. Anyway, that's about the only time it's actually fucking worked. But my point being, guys, if we can get Milwaukee to comment on this and tell me why it's so shockingly bad when it pretends to be, or it reads like it's going to be a really good tool, you get it, and it's shit. And you guys might have had different experiences. You can put down in the comments if you want. I know there's a 1/2 one and all. They claim can take wheel nuts off. You fucking can't, because I tried one. Milwaukee lent me one for a week, and that was shite and all. So yeah, guys, your tools are really, really important, and they need to work. They need to do what they say they're going to do. If we don't. So if you're a Milwaukee person, rep, or Milwaukee UK, Milwaukee Europe, whoever you are, comment on this, because I'm a pissed off customer. Love you, bye.